All right, time to go to church. One day I will get this. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am very excited for this new season. I'm very excited to start this vlog finally. God has been nudging me and nudging me and nudging me and nudging me. And I'm sure there's things in your life that you're like, oh, he's nudging me to do this. And I have been trying to run away. And that's been me with this YouTube channel. So I'm finally just surrendering it to him, allowing him to lead me and guide me and do whatever he wants to do with this YouTube channel. But I thought, what better time could it be to start a YouTube channel in this new season that we're in? Because I feel like I need like a drum roll right now. We are moving to Orlando. So right now where we're located, it's about an hour from Orlando, like the heart of Orlando. And a month ago, we were not even like considering moving out of the town that we were in or are in. God has just been doing insane things. It's obvious that he's leading us to Orlando. We're actually on our way to church, the church that we will be attending. It's 8:51 a.m. right now. About to go to 9:20 service at Grace. It's a beautiful church. If you're ever in the area, I highly recommend checking it out. So we're looking at apartments. I'm gonna take you on just this whole entire journey of touring apartments, how we knew God was calling us to Orlando, confirmations that we've been seeing. So you can expect more vlogs. You can expect, motivation. You can expect relationship videos. We'll probably do a Q&A soon. Yeah, just a lot of different things. A lot of things that have been on my heart to do for quite some time. But like I said, just a lot of fears have stopped me. And I'm trying to be intentional with those fears, just like the Bible talks about, with taking every thought captive and really stepping into God's will for your life. Because if you don't, like, why did God bring you here? God brought you here because he has a purpose for you. And when you allow the fears to stop you, you're basically saying, like, I don't care what God said. Like, I'm just gonna believe these fears and let these fears dictate my life. And we have a job as servants of Christ, and that is to conquer the enemy and to rebuke him and take up that authority that Christ gave us when he shed his own blood. So just really excited to see what God has in store for us and this YouTube channel, and how we can just speak into you guys' lives. So yeah, welcome to the first vlog. How long did that take? Like 50 minutes?
Pembroke Drive. It did, yeah.
Oh no. Did we?
Well, it took an
We
hour.
got in because we got in the truck at 8:03. It's 9:01.
Let's see if we can get the same parking.
I know.
We've been kind of in the same area.
Woohoo! There's our parking people. Do you think they can see us? Oh, he's leading us all the way down.
There's a sign that says leaving, flashers on. There's a sign up there.
Oh, really? What did it say though? The sign.
This is the guy that sits in front
Yeah.
of us, bro. He's so freaking tall.
It's my wife, Taylor. Taylor, nice to meet you. Andrew, Taylor.
Oh, snap. Look at this.
So we got one person that'll do like the directing, so the calling, and then I think it's actually directing, calling, and then somebody physically switching.
Switching.
Yeah, switching everything. So
We are at Lovebirds.
We're about to eat some good food.
Because we're lovebirds.
Totally.
Yeah.
Cheesy man.
Think I do?
Yeah. What are you gonna order?
Just a chicken sandwich.
I just want fries and ranch.
Is it?
Well, chicken tenders.
Oh, it's like there.
But as my side, I'm gonna get this. Is it called So Gouda cheese mac? So Gouda mac.
Yeah.
Mac and cheese.